What's up guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Like always, I'm your favorite Liberian boy, and in today's video we are going to be looking at what's the best way to eat swallow. Swallow, you say? So first of all, let's look at the definition of swallow, and Google defines swallow as a cause or allow something, especially food or drink, to pass down the throat. So you may ask the question, what does swallow look like? There are different kinds of swallow and there are different colors of swallow. Some are brown, some are yellow looking, some are white, some are sticky, some are fermented. But you know, we're African, we love our food. South African eat pap, Nigerians eat eba, amala, fufu, Liberians eat GB, diba, fufu, Ghanaians eat fufu. There are different kinds of swallow all over Africa, or all across Africa. And now for the finale, what is the best way to eat swallow? So what I did was I went online, especially Facebook. My Facebook audience are very interesting. I always like to post things on my Facebook instead of like Instagram or Twitter. And I wrote a status online asking people, you know, what's the best way to eat swallow? Fufu, GB, diba, or etc. With your hands, with a spoon, or with a fork and knife? And the comments were hilarious. This person said, my celebrity la hand, which means it's your hand. This other person said fork and knife. This other person said hand. This other person said hands. Somebody said toothpick. Somebody said toothpick and fork. The other person said Chinese chopsticks. Where are you guys getting these things from? I've seen people eating swallow in different kinds of ways. You understand? I've seen females with nails use fork and a knife. I've seen people that don't want to dirty their hands use spoon to eat. And then I've seen like a typical African that is true to his culture use his hands. So at the end of the day, when we are trying to figure out what is the best way to eat swallow, we have to go back to history. Africans, our ancestors, ate with their hands. And 10 out of 10 Africans would tell you the best way to eat, apart from swallow, is with your hands. Food or whatsoever, even rice. So because this is an African dish, the best way, or the proper way, I wouldn't say the best way, I would say the proper way of eating swallow is with your hands, because that was how it was meant to be. But if you want to eat it with a spoon or a fork and a knife, or like some people in the comment section said chopsticks, that's your cup of tea. We post travel content, food challenges, and vlogs on this channel. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing and becoming a part of the family. Until next time, peace.